Did you know people fear public speaking more than dying? That's right. The author says that there has been immense research in the field where they say that the fear of public speaking actually is caused by fear of ostracism, and this is a fear which is basically the feeling of or the fear of feeling like a failure or rejection, or the fear of feeling left out, or the fear of being an outcast. Now, I would like to put this thought on hold and take you to another concept that the author talks about, which is the feeling or which is the concept of trap. Now, what does the author mean by that? The author means that most of us make our career choices or life choices which is driven by fear and it is not driven by passion. And the author says that it is exactly this that gets us into a trap, which means that we end up taking a job because we have the fear that if I'm not going to do this, how am I going to take care of my bills, my credit card, and the commitment I have towards my family? And then we do end up in a job, and probably we're gonna do good at it, not that we won't. And then that's gonna be a vicious cycle in itself, where even though we get promoted, it's gonna just create more bills and more liabilities for us. And the author intensely talks about this vicious circle, and that all of this arises because of the fear that people have, and that is what guides them to make their career choice, and it is not really passion that drives them to make the choice about their career, or about their life. And when I was reading this book, it actually took me back to my childhood, especially on that day when I was still going to choose what I want to do for my higher education and what is the career path I want to choose, which is when my father sat me down and he told me that he never really visualizes me going into a glamorous corporate job, or getting into anything of that sort. Where I was thinking, if by that he means that he doesn't see me being someone ambitious or someone who actually wants to grow in the corporate ladder, while he actually meant that he didn't really see me as someone who would make a career choice which is again based on this fear, and it is not driven by passion, which I think is absolutely right, because no passion could actually ever lead me to a corporate job or a corporate career. And that moment I really didn't understand what he was saying, but I did take his I did take his advice. And I today I am I'm a writer, and I really love what I do. And that's only possible and that was only possible because I actually took his advice, and I chose a career which was entirely driven by passion, and it was not at all driven by the fear of how am I going to pay my bills. And if there is also something he taught me along the way, is that I should never have the fear of failure. I should never let failure or the feeling of rejection come in my way. And it would always be stepping stones for me to learn and become someone better, and do something better with it end of the day. So with that, I would like to, say kudos to all the parents who have actually guided their children to choose something which, arises purely from their passion and not by that fear. And also in this book log series, I would just like to place my gratitude to my father for also leading me to this path. With that, we come to the end of this week's book log series. See you in the next one. Once again, this is your host Arpita Giri signing off.